Hello, so today it's a quick review about the Pioneer X, so 08231-26, so an Alox. Oh, as usual, we have the same paper here. I'm not gonna show it. So 93 millimeters for the length. We have 14.9 millimeters for the thickness. So we have 3 layers, of course. The weight is 94.5 grams, and we have one more function than the Pioneer, so 9 functions on this one, and the only difference is scissors, of course, which are here. And for the price, I'll talk about it at the end. So we go through the tools. So not many differences compared to the Pioneer. So we have the large blade, reamer, sharp. Then we have can opener, small flathead screwdriver. Only one position here. We have bottle opener, large flathead screwdriver, wire bender, wire stripper, and 2 position, 90 degrees and inline. And we have, which makes it a Pioneer X, scissors, and that's it. And we have the keyring, of course. So for the price, Victorinox price is 51 euros, which is a bit expensive, I'd say. I bought it 36 euros, so we can find it cheaper, of course. But it's a good one. I think it's not too thick, and it's really good to have scissors compared to the Pioneer. So it's a good knife. It's a good knife too. So that's it for the review. I hope you liked the video. You can leave a thumbs up. You can, of course, subscribe to the channel. There are more reviews coming, of course, in the next weeks. So, see you next time.
You stole my heart of gold.